Meet Bill, a construction manager by profession. As he wakes up one fine morning, he observes dirt and a stinking smell in his room. He recalls that the cleaning company he hired for his house didn't clean up properly before leaving. They must have used dirty rags and cheap chemicals that are causing the smell. Bill decides to call up the company repeatedly, and he finally gives up after getting a busy signal all the time. Bill gets to his car and sees stain marks on it, which leaves him very angry. He decides to clean it himself over the weekend, and he wishes that he had hired a more professional, customer-oriented company which would have spared his home and his car the debris and the foul smell. As Bill drives past his industrial construction site, he sees construction waste scattered along the road. This makes him even more disappointed at his cleaning company, as he clearly recalls asking their manager to clean up the site area over a week ago. He reaches his office, excited to tap into his work and emails, but instead there are layers of dirt on the table and the floor. His trash can hasn't been replaced and is still full of trash. Even the toilets aren't maintained properly and lacking basic supplies such as hand soap, paper towels, and so on. He remembers his friend Adam speaking very highly about a professional cleaning company that he's been using for years now. He finally decides to call Adam and ask. Adam suggests Interworld Cleaning as the best in the area. Adam also told him that Interworld Cleaning can even provide complimentary dispensers to the customers who sign up for monthly contracts. Have you ever felt like Bill? Do you want to hire an experienced cleaning company with a proven track record instead of a general housekeeping staff? Do you want green cleaning solutions delivered without any additional charge? Are you looking for customized cleaning solutions to fit your schedule and budget? If the answer to any of those questions is yes, then Interworld Cleaning is the perfect company for you. They live by their motto, clean, green, serene. Give them a call today at 410-800-2575 for a free, no-obligation price quote. Hope to hear from you soon.